Hi everybody, my name is Bethany Barton. I am a Youth Services Librarian at the downtown branch of the St. Joseph Public Library. I am here today to bring you our December Maker Monday Make and Take Kit. We are making snowflake snow globes, and what you'll do is you need to call the downtown branch and reserve your Make and Take Kit. You can also go to our website on our event calendar and reserve one through there. In your kit, you're going to get a round foam circle, a white snowflake, a gray base, a strip of glue dots, a plastic cup that has a magnet and pom-poms in it as well. An additional item that you may need is a permanent marker to write on your foam sheet with, okay? So what we're going to do to start with is you're going to take your strip of glue dots. We have 11 big glue dots and 2 mini ones. So the ones that you need first are your mini ones. And that will be probably the smaller of the 2 strips of paper, so I would take them off. You're going to attach the mini glue dots to each corner of your foam gray base on the shorter end of it, okay? So we're going to attach 2 glue dots. It's easy if you just take your foam sheet and then go straight to the glue dot instead of trying to take the glue dot off. They are very sticky, just to warn you. So you may hopefully not have too much trouble, but they could stick to the paper a little. Okay. Once you put your glue dots in the top corner, you're going to then attach your foam circle with that. So now you have a base on your snow globe, okay? Now you're going to take your bigger glue dots and you're going to use them to help attach your snowflake. You're going to put one big glue dot right in the center of your snowflake. The paper may kind of crinkle, it's okay. So once you get your glue dot on, you're going to attach it right in the center of your circle. Okay. Now you're going to take your plastic cup and get your pom-poms out. Your pom-poms are going to help decorate your snow globe a little bit to make it look like snow's falling down. So if you just take your pom-pom and then put it on the glue dot, it should help get your glue dot up a little bit. If not, you can always just take your glue dot off the paper itself and attach it. For some reason, these are extra sticky today. So you're just going to take it. I'm just having not a good time. Okay. So what you do is you're just going to take your pom-poms and then you're going to decorate the outside of your snow globe. You can put them within your snowflake if you want. You have about 10 of them, so you can use as many or less as you'd like. I was having a hard time with my sticky dots. Try one more time. Okay. And if these don't work, you can always use glue at home. Okay, so I got one on. So after you're done putting your pom-poms on, I would suggest putting, if you'd like, you can put your name on the bottom of your snow globe in the gray. This is where that permanent marker will come in handy. If you use a washable marker, it could come off on your hands, so you want to be careful with that. And lastly, you're going to attach your magnet to the back of your snow globe. So it's got a removable back. You just take that white off of your magnet, and you're just going to put it right in the center of your circle. So then you can hang it up on the fridge, give it to a grandparent or somebody, and they can hang it up on their fridge, okay? So that is our Maker Monday for December. Again, you can always call the downtown library and reserve yours today, or you can get on our web calendar and do it that way. Thank you, and we'll see you next month.